hopefully it's been obvious that I do not shy away from hard work, but I do shy away from work involving spiders. Sorry, Dad. He asked me to prune trees outside. I really, really, really didn't want to, so he's doing it. I'm a baby when it comes to spiders. All right, time to move those doors in place. Okay, if you don't like spiders, you're gonna wanna skip ahead. I'm being brave. I'm pretty sure that these guys just eat bugs. Oh, everything itches just looking at it. Ugh. In this part of the flooring, we discovered some termite damage, so I needed to scrape back as much of the linoleum as possible, just so we could see how far the damage went. And Dad needed to see how much of the flooring needed to be cut out and replaced. And thankfully, the termite damage wasn't the whole flooring, it was maybe just a few planks. Here Dad is cutting out a new door entry for the utility room. The layout worked better with the door moved, and oddly enough, as Dad started to cut into the wall, he found a pre-existing door frame from the original layout, which made it really convenient for Dad because the door frame already had a header. When I first started going over this footage, it felt like we didn't get a lot done this day, and I had to remind myself that it was the middle of August, it was hot, it was in the hundreds, so we were exhausted not only from the heat, but also from how much we'd gotten done the day before, so we didn't have a ton of energy left. In fact, I think we even quit early this day because we were dead on our feet.